Canon.
Cannons. Okay, sorry, we are we are recording. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi and welcome to Ultrasign, and I don't gonna cut that off. Yes, Andreas, what do you have for us?
Okay, I found this band just last week, and I thought it was very obscure or indie, but that's very ignorant because I didn't know them.
Yeah.
Other people might, and obviously they did know them. But this is an American kind of indie band called Cannons. Cannons.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, and this track is from this year, March, and it's called Hurricane.
Well, let's check it out then.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that took a twist I didn't think of in the beginning. I just thought, okay, this is a nice tribute or something to, old Just videos or something like that. And,
yeah. And then aliens.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah, something dark was going on anyway, or something very hidden, secret.
Yeah, it is like sleaze, the normal sleaze video to just a kind of a simple basic pop song.
Yeah,
but I like it.
yeah, it was really good. I really enjoyed that. It was had a nice tune with that, but with enough of melancholy, with enough of popish, and it was a good combination of a lot of feelings in it, without being too poppy, without being too melancholic. Maybe I can say it had a nice going on from the start to the end.
Yeah, it's
It's
kind
hard
of,
to.
I don't know, it's kind of breezy, but still it's kind of darkish, and it has this sadness about it
Yes,
somehow. And
yeah, it's some sadness over it, of course. But as a track, I really, really enjoyed it. It was a good tune, a good, very good, all over. It's hard to say anything about anything, and almost because it had so good, high quality on every part of it, from the singing to the instrument to nothing was, it was just very, very well done.
nothing was distracting.
Yes, yes.
Nothing was too genius either. It's just a nice breezy track.
Yeah,
I
and
think.
a very good mix of it, because
Yeah,
you didn't think about the instruments individual.
yeah,
What do you call it?
It really well.
Well, yeah,
yeah.
canon.
Canon.
Sorry, they was very well fit together. Everything. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Robert.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah, I do agree with exactly everything you
With the
both said.
with the part. Yes.
But then,
Yes.
it was a very neat modern pop song where
Yeah.
nothing was really abrasive, nothing in the way. It kind of was just smooth and just breezed away as quickly, which makes it something that I would like to play a few times more, perhaps, but also makes me think that I don't really know what to say about it since it was over just as quick as it started.
Yeah, it's
Uh,
very short.
yeah, I did enjoy it, but I really didn't find anything too uh, that stuck out really. So I don't really know what to say about it, except that I liked it, but it didn't say too much
No,
to
I
me.
mean that's maybe the only negative thing I have to say
Mm,
about it, that nothing kind of sticks out. This it's very perfect somehow.
mm.
It's
Yeah.
very polished, but still it has. I mean, it could be that in many different ways, but this still has this. I like the sound, and there's some kind of sadness there that I like, but nothing kind of distracts you from this greasy feeling somehow.
And I wouldn't be surprised if that was the immediate thought behind it. That
Yeah,
it's summer right now. It's a song that is good, but it don't say too much, so you don't have really any problems playing it twice or thrice or six times during an evening. I
Yeah.
think that parts of it, when come to production choices, may be that they want you to play this
yeah,
several times during the evening's party playlist or whatever, because it's not too much and it's not too little.
yeah. I was listening to this yesterday driving in my car, and it was really nice.
Hmm.
It was sunshine and beautiful surroundings and this track, and yeah, it was okay, nice.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
yeah.
Yeah,
that's a very well describing, or what do you
yeah,
say? Uh, that kind of tracks, also is needed.
yeah,
That you need, can relax to, not
Hmm.
have to that. analyze, or I think
Exactly.
there is some, especially with the video, but as a track you can just relax to it and enjoy it and have a good
Yeah,
time to it, and I can see
and that's
this
enough sometimes.
playing late in summer nights here in Sweden, when the sun never sets. This kind of track can really set the mood there, and I think
Yeah.
it did, and I enjoyed it a lot, and
Mhm.
and I want to know more about these cannons.
Yeah, me too.
Canon.
Okay, Canon. Let's stop it there before we.
Yeah, freak out.
We are already done that, I think. Yeah. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.